Guys, it's Poochie, and here are 19 things that you can buy on Walmart and resell on Amazon for a profit of up to, are you ready, $213.49 for real. Now the screenshots I'm about to show you, on the left is what it's selling for on Walmart and what it's selling for on Amazon, and on the right you will see information like how many times it sells a month, the profit margin, etc. So what are you waiting for? I am literally giving you the items to buy at Walmart, resell at Amazon, and make a profit. Get going, get busy. This is how to make money online. I am Poochie, and we are keeping it real.